27. Surah An-Naml. This is a Makki Surah. It was probably revealed soon after the previous Surah. It has 93 verses in 7 sections. The theme of the Surah is divine guidance in history. Allah sent His prophets to different people. Some accepted them and were guided, while others denied them, and they saw the consequences of their denial. The Surah also contrasts between the principles of tawhid and shirk. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. The Qur'an is from the all-wise and all-knower. How did Prophet Moses receive the message of Allah? Allah gave Moses many signs, but Pharaoh and his people denied them. Number 2. The knowledge and power that Allah bestowed on Prophets David and Solomon. What kind of character they had? Number 3. Queen of Saba and her submission to Prophet Solomon. Number 4. The response of Thamud to Prophet Saleh's message. Also the example of the people among whom Prophet Lut was sent. Number 5. The contrast between the tawhid and shirk. Allah or the so-called gods of shirk. Number 6. The surety of resurrection. Number 7. The coming of the day of judgment.